So for this project, you'll need scissors and then some type of adhesive, so like a glue or tape. So you saw these in your packet. We have the cone and the cube, and we're gonna be able to make our own 3D shapes today. I know we're gonna have a chance to find our own, but we're also gonna have a chance to make our own too. So we can make a 3D shape out of something flat, and whenever you see this flat shape that you know that we can fold together, put together to make a 3D shape, that is called a net. So this is the net of a of a cone. This is the net of a cone. It means it's what a cone would look like if you took the whole shape and laid it out flat. So let's go ahead and try that. We're gonna go ahead and cut our shapes out right now. Make sure not to cut these. Don't cut on the line. Don't cut this line. Don't separate them. That's gonna be our flap, so we're gonna fold it over. We're gonna do a little bit of an origami today. And you can use this base that comes with it, or you can use this base. The reason that it has these sun-like rays on it are so you can put glue on each of the rays or tape and then fold it and put it on the end of your cone for the base. Or we can just use this one since it's attached here. I think we can fold it over. We're gonna try to make it work. I'm gonna use tape for this one since it doesn't have as many flaps as our cube does. So I am going to leave these connected here. We're gonna see how it works. I'm doing this right with you the first time here too, so I'm troubleshooting, you're troubleshooting, we're figuring it out together. So let's cut out our cone, our net of our cone. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're doing the best we can. Perfection is not something that we're striving for here. All right, so here is our net of our cone. I hope yours is cut out something similar to that. And now we're gonna fold on this line right here. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, good enough is good enough. And then if I was gonna put my piece of tape and sticky side up, so this part's sticky, I'm gonna lay it flat and slide this piece right on over. Try it again. There. And it's stuck to that piece, so now when I fold it over into a cylinder-like shape, it's going to hopefully stick. Let's try. So I'm gonna take it and let's see. My point is gonna be a lot skinnier up here and wider up down here. Making a cone shape. All right, you might need your parents to help you out with this one. This one is a little tough. Even my cone doesn't look so great. I got like a flat top there. It's okay. Just give some life, breathe some life into it. It looks okay. I'm pretty happy with mine. Now we got the bottom. It kind of looks like a noisemaker. I can put a little piece of tape on the bottom there, just to close up that gap. And I am happy enough with this. I'm good. This looks like a cone to me. I'm good with this cone. Cone, 3D shape, I got it. I can make it colorful. Next time I can do some decorations. I can make it a mountain. I can do any kind of fun shape with this, and now I've got my 3D cone. So our next shape that we can do is our 3D cube. Yes, you heard it here first, folks. Let's do our 3D cube. So of course we're gonna cut out. We're not gonna separate these two pieces from each other. This is gonna be where we fold for our flaps. This one has a lot more flaps, so let's do our best. All right, go ahead and cut out your cube. I guess we're kind of making like one big dice block here. What other things are the shape of a cube? Ice cubes are cubes sometimes. Sometimes they're kind of like ice rectangles, really. Ice rectangular prisms, if I'm going to be specific. We might as well use our academic vocabulary. What other things out in the world are cubes? Boxes, cardboard boxes. What else? I'm having a hard time thinking of cubes. Can you come up with any? What other things that you see are in the shape of a cube? All right, so here's my net of my cube. I hope yours looks like that too. And now we're gonna go ahead and fold over our flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 7 flaps this time. So 1, 2, 3. See, it's already looking 3D here. I'm liking it. Here's one here. 4. How is this gonna come together? Our net of a 3D cube is a little more tricky than our net of our 3D cone. But I know we can do it. We're up for the challenge, right? Cool. So yours should look something like this. And let's see. Let's go ahead and fold our other lines, the rest of our lines. So I've got a fold right here and a fold right here. You're gonna be making cubes. This is gonna be like your next thing you love to do. Move over, water lilies. Cubes are gonna be all over the house, right? And this one here. Perfect. So we folded inward all of our lines. And now we can go ahead and, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and tape again. Go ahead and tape our cube together. So if I'm just looking at this, I can see it's gonna fold, it's gonna cup like that. So where should I start? I guess I'll just start at the bottom here. So I'll put sticky side facing down. Don't stick it to the table, but and sticky side facing down. Right alongside that fold line that we made, and we're gonna bring this up, pinch those sides in, and attach it to the next side of our cube. Now let me show you what that looks like, I guess, from this direction. We're gonna pinch it just to make sure it's folded down a little bit. Bring it flat. And bring our wall right up to meet it. Look, it's 3D already. It's so cute, I love it. And now for this wall, we're gonna need tape here and here to support this wall of our cube. Wonderful. This face of our cube, I guess we know the words. Vertices, edges, faces, we know how it goes. And make sure that's nice and flat. And I can go ahead and close this top kind of, just make sure it's even and close. Wonderful. Is yours looking like this? Kind of like a present that's just been opened. It's a little box. You can store fine treasures in there. And now we've got 3 folds. I can put a piece of tape on each and tuck this right in. Or if you want to leave it open like a little box that opens, you can just go ahead and tuck those in right now. And you, my friend, will have your cube. You can do it again if you'd like. You can decorate the outside first. Remember the sides that actually show the lines? That's gonna be the side that faces out, so that's gonna be the side you're gonna wanna color. So we have our cube, and we have our cone. Which one did you like making more? These are fun. I definitely wanna make colorful ones next time. All right, I hope you had a good time. I hope yours look great. And if they don't, just try again. This was our first time. Go easy on yourself. I love you guys and I miss you so much.